Don't wave. See if I give you any cookies. Hello. Hi. What are you doing up there? You're gonna fall. Get down. Get down. Oh my goodness, what happened here? Do you guys want to know how much I went to called 5 different insurance companies to get a quote on this 2006 Gixxer, right? I was stunned. I was absolutely stunned. I gotta have full coverage on this thing, okay? So I'm used to paying like $200 a year. Like I think the Ninja was like $160 a year. But all of the insurance companies that I went to, or that I called, they wanted $400 down and like between $300 and $400 a month. Now, this is like 4 or 5 different companies. They all said the same thing. They're like, I don't know if it's the bike. Like, we don't know, right? So, I said, I can't afford $400 a month just for insurance. No. So what happens next is brilliant. Geico decides to play their commercial right when I'm calling all these insurance companies. I'm like, hey, let's try them. So I called Geico. Geico wanted $61 down, okay, and $61 a month. It was like $600 a year, 680 something or something like that a year. So I'm like, thank God. I thought it was absolutely insane. Who in their right mind is gonna pay $400, you know, a month in insurance? Unless you're really rich and you can afford it and don't care. I'm not rich, so I care. I thought it was crazy. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. He likes my bike. There are some people that don't like stretch bikes, and I don't know. I always like the look, especially if it has a fat, like a 360 tire kit on it. Beautiful, in my opinion. In my opinion. Especially get like an R1 with a fat tire kit, or a GSX-R. My very first bike, guys, was a 96, I think, 96? Yeah, 96 GSX-R 750. Man, that thing was old. The only thing I don't like about these Gixxers is that headlight. I don't like the single headlight look. Don't look at me, dude. Don't look at me. I'm doing something over here. I gotta whiz. Okay, it's dark, and I can hear somebody talking. Oh, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. It feels so good to be on a motorcycle again. Let me tell you guys something really quickly, alright? Being on a motorcycle again, it makes me want to do my mating call. I don't know who that was. I think those people back there that were in that car are subscribers. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Pussies, you're gonna get hit. Hi, folks. Hey, they're giving away this Mustang for all you Mustang lovers. Win this car. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, there's a cop. What is that? What is that? Weird. He gave me the finger. Not the middle finger. He went beep. I suppose that wave will work. Alright guys, I do appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, for whatever reason, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And guys, always remember this. Always stay positive to yourself. And always think positive. Peace!